In this video, I'll show you how to insert fields in Docusign step by step so you can prepare documents for smooth and accurate signing. Start by logging into your Docusign account and from the dashboard click Start or Send to upload your document or choose a template. Add recipient details like name and email, then click Next to open the document editor. In the editor, you'll see a panel with different field options such as signature, text, date, and checkboxes. Simply drag and drop the required field onto the document where input is needed. Make sure each field is assigned to the correct recipient to avoid confusion. You can resize and reposition fields for better alignment and clarity. Take a moment to review everything before sending to ensure accuracy. Proper field placement helps prevent errors and improves the signing experience. Subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.